Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. The November 2024 Love from Lizi card kit is now available and it's so much fun. It's called Winter Warmers. And if you are interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links in the description box below. So I'll go ahead and show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock. There's pink, a grass green, craft, light green, and white. And the white is alcohol marker friendly. It's also great for ink blending and stencils. Here's a look at the 6x6 paper pad called Winter Warmers. There are 24 single-sided pattern paper sheets, and this is a nice heavyweight cardstock, 271 GSM. I love this paper collection. The colors and designs are so pretty. Perfect for some lovely winter cards. There are a few designs that would also work well for Christmas cards. There are several different florals. There's one that has a bunch of cookies. We have plaid, polka dots, several tone-on-tone designs. And the last, I think it's 8 sheets, are almost a solid. They have a slight sort of watercolor looking design on them. And I love having the mix of solid colors, helps tone down some of those busier designs. And with 24 sheets, you'll be able to make a lot of cards. This really is a fun paper collection, and I love that there's lots of pink mixed in with the greens and blues. Next up we have card bases with coordinating envelopes, and these are 5x7. 4 colors with white polka dots. And if you don't want to use these as card bases, you could always cut them in half and just use some of the cardstock. But they are a really fun design with the pretty green, purple, blue, and pink colors. Here's a look at the stamp set. I love all the fun winter sentiments. 'Tis the season to be freezing, Burr, cold hands, warm hearts, let's get cozy, baby it's cold outside, just chilling, and winter kisses and snowflake wishes. And there are lots of teeny tiny little sparkles and snowflake images. The next item is a double-sided adhesive sheet. These are nice to use with really detailed dies. Here's a look at the peel-off sheet that's included in the kit. It's the pinstripe style in green and it has silver overlay, so it's super shiny. A little hard to see in the video, trying to show you the widest width, but you have that beautiful green color and then the silver on the outside edge. Next up is an exclusive Love from Lizi stencil. 4 beautiful snowflake designs, and I'm not sure, but it looks like you'll be able to layer them. So you could do that largest snowflake in a light blue, then do another snowflake on top in a slightly darker blue color, and then keep going. I think this will be really fun to use. There is a coordinating ephemera pack, beautiful colors and designs that match the pattern paper. And at the end of the unboxing, I'll lay out all of the pieces so you can see what's included. Now I'll move on to the embellishment bag, and look at all that beautiful sparkle that's in this bag. The first item is some beautiful tinsel garland in silver. It's about 19.5 inches long. This will add some beautiful shine on your card or project. It is fairly thick, so it will add a bit of dimension. There are 2 sheets of gem stickers in a lovely silver color. There's the smaller size and a larger size. It's nice to have the variety. The kit also includes 5 teeny tiny little jingle bells. And they do have that tiny little loop area so you can thread them on some twine or ribbon. To continue on with the winter theme, there are 5 glittery foam snowflakes. Aren't these beautiful? And when I was holding them, I didn't get any loose glitter coming off, so that's really nice. On the back of the snowflakes, there is a small piece of foam adhesive. If you don't like adding a lot of dimension on your card, I think the foam would be very easy to remove, but then you would have to use some other adhesive to attach them. The next embellishments are 2 pre-tied silver ribbon bows. These are super shiny and I'm so happy that they're pre-tied. The kit includes 2 craft tags and there are snowflakes punched out of them. I think it would be really pretty to put some glitter or specialty cardstock behind the tag. Then the snowflake cutouts would be stunning. The next item is a little interesting. It's a bag of teeny tiny glittery, I think they're styrofoam balls. They're silver, gold, and white. They are covered in glitter, and I will say that the glitter does shed. You can see loose pieces inside the bag. I think they would be fun inside a shaker card. That way you don't get a big glittery mess. The final items included in the kit are the dies, and there are 2, a winter hat and a winter scarf. And I love all the extra detail on each of them. And here's a look at all of the ephemera pieces. I laid them out on my craft table. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's November 2024 card kit called Winter Warmers. I did receive a few add-ons. There are 2 peel-off packs that coordinate with the kit. The one on the left is all pinstripe. There's spearmint with silver overlay, silver moondust, ice blue mirror, and mint glitter. The set on the right is the variety bundle. There's mauve moondust in straight, silver mirror in mini twinkle, pink iridescent glitter in sway, and clear iridescent glitter in mini circle. Now moving on to the cardstock bundles. The first one is the Pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. There's a bluish green, mint green, gray, a lovely lilac purple. The next one is gray, but it has this lovely iridescent glitter look to it. No loose glitter, but it has lots of sparkle. And then there's a light sort of taupe color. Next is the specialty cardstock bundle, and there are 5 sheets included. There's silver holographic, silver satin mirror. Then there are 3 sheets that have a glittery finish, although it's all embedded, so no glitter mess at all. They're silver, green, and blue. Perfect for some winter cards. The next cardstock bundle is 6 by 6 inches in size, and this is the Moondust bundle. There are 12 sheets, 4 different designs, and you'll get 3 of each sheet. So they have the look of glitter, but this is all smooth, no glittery mess at all. And Lizi's included these in previous kits. They're beautiful and they work great with dies. Beautiful colors, there's pinks, purples, teal, and the one design has a lovely rainbow look to it. So if you have some small dies, you could cut out just one of the colors, or you could add a strip and have lots of glittery colors on your card or project. The final add-on I received is a half sheet glitter cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets included, super sparkly glitter. For the most part, it doesn't shed, but if you do cut it, you may get a little bit of glitter, but it doesn't shake off and make a huge mess. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's November 2024 card kit called Winter Warmers. This is a beautiful kit. I love the colors and designs and can't wait to get started. If you are interested in the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I do have a link for subscribing to her kits listed below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.